Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of Mac Mini M4, a teeny powerful powerhouse that packs a serious punch. But getting you Mini up and running with all right apps can be a bit overwhelming. Fear not, in this video I will guide you through the setting of your Mac Mini M4 with essential apps for productivity, creativity and entertainment. Let's check our screen here so you'll be able to see that. Let's get started. First thing, make sure you're connected to the internet, and once that's done, head over to the App Store. Once the App Store loads up, you can see App Store is showing up here, and then what you can do here is just to make sure it is all right. Google Workspace, Notion and Alfred. These are the apps which you need. So if you go into Microsoft 365, you can check this is available here. If you get it, you can get this installed directly, and I will be able to log in into Notion on the web, or I can directly install it on my system. To install it in your system, you just need to go into the back, go down, and downloads for Mac and Windows, download for Mac. Once this is downloaded into your system, it will be start downloading here, and once this is downloaded, you can install it directly from there. The second application I'm talking about here is where you can install it and you can start using it directly. So this is Alfred. It is a very nice application. It replaces your spotlight search and you can do anything from here. So on the alternative side, with the Alfred, I have Rekas installed. Basically, Rekas is just another app similar to Alfred, and it has a more functionality as compared to Alfred. You just get started with this one. Everything is there. You can do customize everything, install extension, maybe later, continue, grant access, option and space, and Alfred will be there. Okay, so that's it guys. This is for the productivity apps, and we can minimize it. Basically you can go anywhere with this one. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel, and peace.